How to change message notification sound on your iPhone 16 Pro Max Plus. To change the message notification sound on your iPhone 16, you'll need to go to or navigate to settings. Now here is how you'll need to do it. Open up your device and go to settings app on your iPhone. After which you simply want to scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. Then select or tap on text tone. Tap on any of the sound listed under alert tones. You could also customize the vibration pattern by tapping haptics and selecting a new pattern, or creating your own as well. If you want to customize sound, you could explore the tone store by tapping tone store. And to optimize or customize for a specific contact, you simply want to go ahead and open the message app and tap on the conversation. Then tap the name of the number of the contact at the top and click on info, then go to edit and finally tap on text tone. Then you want to follow the same steps as above to choose a new sound or vibration. And with that being said, you'll have successfully changed message notification sound on your iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.